Hello, Sundaris. We are back and we are hungry, and let us get down to a new Komalcooks. Let us make hummus. So, we're going to start off with 1 cup of chickpeas. Make sure you submerge them in like triple the amount of water and leave it overnight. In the morning, they're going to soak up all that good moisture, and it's going to look something like this. Very fascinating. Then I'm going to take 1 cup. I'm actually making falafel from the other. So take 1 cup, put it in a large vessel, fill it up with 3 times more water. These chickpeas are not really seasoned, so you have to season it very well. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of salt. Oh yes, you heard that right, 2 tablespoons. Cover it up and you're going to let it boil on a high heat, and then when it boils up once, you're going to put it down to a simmer. Then we're going to make sort of kind of a tahini. You're going to take some white sesame and take a thick bottom pan. I'm taking my kadhai while checking up on your chickpeas. Oh yes. Start with really high heat up until your kadhai warms up. Once your kadhai is really hot, turn the heat down. Add the sesame. Here I thought I'll just make half of it, and then I was like, well, I could put it in the fridge, so just dump the other half. We are going to slowly roast this so it changes color. It should look tiny bit darker than before, and it should smell very nutty. Once that is done, you need a very high blender for this, guys. I put my trust in Sujata. I just bought it a couple of months ago and it's amazing. You guys need to buy this, okay? I got the super mix one, whichever one you want, just get it. It's amazing. First of all, it's going to grind into this sort of a powder. It's fine, don't go crazy, just add it up and then add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. None of the pomace olive oil or a regular olive oil. Extra virgin is the way to go. Add a little bit. We want to make a fine paste of this sesame and keep on mixing it so that it does not coagulate around the sides, and you should end up with something like this, very runny, liquidy is the same thing sesame paste. I'm gonna put half of this in the fridge and I'm gonna leave the other half in the blender because we're making some hummus today. Our chickpeas are cooked. They should be firm. They should not have been completely cooked to death. Okay, we're gonna do this one step that makes your hummus even more luxurious. You have to remove the outer layer like this. If your chickpeas are boiled to death, you will not be able to do this, so make sure that not to boil them to death. Put the chickpeas in water and remove all the skins. This is the additional step. You don't really have to do this if you're feeling some lazy, but if you don't feel lazy, then definitely do this. It gives you a way smoother hummus. Now I've removed all of the skins, as you can see, and now we go to the blending. I'm just gonna add the chickpeas to the tahini that I made before, because why not use it? Add 1 clove garlic, more if you like garlic. I'm gonna add some lemon because I'm a chatura person. I like everything tangy. You can add half a lemon or 1 full lemon. I added a full lemon. Then add some salt, very little, okay, because you don't want hummus to be extremely salty. Then add some jeera powder or cumin powder. Cumin. Yeah. Now we be mixing. It's going to become like this. Add a little bit of olive oil at a time. Don't just go crazy with it. You can also add water, guys. So don't feel like you only have to add oil to make it, smoother. And keep on blending this. Remove the things that have gotten to the sides and make sure that everything is in the center so you can blend it, and bam, you're gonna have something as beautiful and luscious as this. Great part about hummus is you can eat it as it is. You can put it on bread. It's just such a good healthy alternative to like a cheese spread, plus it tastes like real good. So I ended up making pita bread as well as falafel. So I'm just putting a little bit of hummus on one side, and then I put another spread on the other side. I put some falafel in the middle, and bam, we have a falafel wrap. And all of this is made at home from scratch. If you guys want to know how I made each and everything, let me know what you want to see in the comment section, falafel or the pita bread or the whole thing. Please let me know if you make this, okay? Just tag #Komalcooks anywhere and I'm gonna find you. Until the next video, bye!